When we talk about a short kit sometimes on the forum, I get questions and emails like, what is a short kit? What does a short kit consist of? And I laid out the Banshee Short Kit that some of you have ordered. There will be a ground fault kit that will be very similar to this. I know you can't see the way the camera is. I know you can't see the parts, but I'm fixing to show them to you. But here's what is in a short kit. I will have a whole series of these short kits before it's over with, and I'll be posting the designs on my website, which is flyingmodelsofamerica.com. But I wanted to take the Banshee. It came in. Eric Rule at RSM cut this kit for me. He'll be cutting all of your kits too, and I appreciate the orders, by the way. But I wanted to show you the contents of a short kit and what you actually get. These few boards right here that I'm picking up are 3/32 balsa, and these are all your wing ribs. And I'm going to bring it up kind of close so maybe you can see the designs. I don't know how blurred that is or anything else, but there are 2.5 boards here of nothing but ribs for the wing for the Banshee. This board here, another 1/8 inch, is your wingtip components. These are your wingtip components, and also the vertical fin, or part of the rudder, is also included on this board. Then we have the stabilizer and one of the elevators here. And on this board we have the other elevator and the flaps. The Banshee does utilize wing flaps, so there are the flaps. And this is 3/16 material here. That's what this material is made out of. So far we've got the ribs, we have the wingtip, and the tail components, and the flaps. Okay. Now let's get into the fuselage. Here is the board, a 1/4 inch board that has nothing but the canopy on it. That shows the canopy. There's a key slot notch here that it will go down into the main part of the fuselage and glue on. Your fuselage is composed of 2/4 inch boards to make a 1/2 inch fuselage. Here they are right here. And there's some small things on here I want to point out that I think are kind of important, that a lot of people don't do or think about when they make a kit. See these three, I don't know whether you can see these or not, but there are 3 holes there that are laser cut. That is for your landing gear. The landing gear that you get from Eric has these holes already pre-drilled in the Duralloy aluminum, flat aluminum landing gear. But he also puts those in the board itself so that you don't have to, it's already pre-cut basically. And there's two of these 1/4 inch boards, and you simply punch them out of the board, and you put your epoxy on there, weight them down or clamp them, and laminate it, and you have your 1/2 inch fuselage. Okay. This the plywood parts are very few, but you've got your doublers, your fuselage doublers, which come in a board like this. Both of them are here, both the inboard and the outboard. The inboard being plain, of course, the outboard having the cutout for the engine there. He also did the same thing on the plywood for you. He put the 3 holes for the landing gear. Not only is this a big help as far as you not having to drill holes and splintering it, it also tells you where your landing gear is supposed to go. But there's only 2 boards of plywood. This is 1/8 inch plywood. These are your doublers for a glow version. On an electric version, the front end here would be a little bit different, and it wouldn't be quite as thick, probably 1/16 inch of plywood for the electric version. Well, what I'm showing you is the glow Banshee. The other piece of plywood is simply, these are the bell crank mounting plates, and you can see he's got them cut out here, 2 of them, one top and bottom for a suspended bell crank. Now, I plan on doing a video later on about how to install a suspended bell crank. I've had people ask me that before too. And it's a great way to put a bell crank in, but that's for another video. But anyway, that's only 2 pieces of plywood. This is also 1/8 inch plywood. So that's it. Then you have 2 hardwood maple motor mounts that are already pre-cut for the length that go into the fuselage. Here's your fuselage again, or one of the 1/4-inch boards. You can see that the cutouts, the laser cutout for the motor mount, and you simply glue them in there. And the last thing that you would find in there is probably the plan. This is a CAD drawn plan, a building plan that you can build over or refer to as you're building it. But that's it. That's all there is to a short kit. I will do an expo on the ground fault when he gets it to me. Those orders will be placed tomorrow. So your essential parts of the airplane are laser cut for you in a short kit. And all that you have to really worry about are the sticks for the spars and that type of thing, and leading edge sheeting if there is any, landing gear, any of the hardware, push rod, bell crank, that type of thing. And of course your power system, whether it be electric or glow, and a fuel tank. So guys, that's it. I just wanted to show you what the short kit consisted of. Like I said, this is the Banshee. I'll be doing a building thread on this. I think I'm going to do a series of building videos on it, to tell you the truth. I'm going to show the build as it progresses. Okay? Hope that helped. Thanks.